Morning student, we are studying chapter number 1 of geography, our environment, natural and human. In first period we learned about what is environment. So environment means surrounding or condition in which a person, animal or plant can live and they can develop their characteristics. So particular plant or human or animals need a particular condition or particular surroundings to live is called environment, and this environment is sometimes divided into natural and human environment. So in previous period we learnt about natural environment. Here land, water, air, plant and animals are part of natural environment. Here include two resources, and they are first one biotic resources and second abiotic resources. So biotic resources means living things. Okay, biotic resources means living things such as plants, animals, and abiotic resources means non-living things such as land, water, air, rocks and metal. Now we are going to study about human environment. Human beings and their social, religious, economic and cultural activities form a part of human environment. So here we are studying about human environment. So there are some social human beings and their social, religious, economic and cultural activities means man's social, religious, economic and cultural activities are part of human environment. Man's family, his community, religious activities, educational endeavors, factories, villages, towns, cities, buildings and roads, etc., and also his political activities form an important part of human environment. So what is human environment? So human environment here include human and his social, religious, economic, cultural activities are part of human environment, as well as human community, religious, his activities, educational endeavors means his educational efforts, factories, then villages, towns and buildings, roads. These all and political activities also, these are important part of this environment. In fact, both these natural and human components of environment interact with each other, thereby producing certain changes which create favorable conditions for man to live on this earth. So here both these natural and human components, so these natural components and human components of environment, they are depend on each other, because thereby producing certain changes which create, and because of this defend they are producing certain changes, and it create a favorable condition for man to live on this earth. Without natural environment, human environment can't exist. But these components of environment are not static, but this component of environment not static means not stable. They are subject of different process changes which are sometimes slow and sometimes sudden. So this human environment, this is not static, this is not stable. Sometimes it is very slow and sometimes it is sudden, means suddenly happened anything here. So one more time about human environment. So human, his social, religious, economic, cultural activities are part of human environment, as well as man's family, his community, religious activity, educational efforts, factories, villages, towns, cities, buildings and roads. and political activities. These all are important part of human environment. Then natural and human components are interact with each other, means this natural and human components are depend on each other, because this depend on each other, create produce certain change, which create a favorable condition for man to live on this earth. But here these components of environment are not static, means not stable, and because of this they are subject to different process changes. This environment, sometimes this become very slow and sometimes it is sudden. In tomorrow's period we will learn about ecological balance.